Hi guys, how's it going? In this video, we'll go ahead and go over this question. Vector C is a result of vector A plus vector B. What would happen if we double A and B? Now, for those of you, again, that have already taken the quiz, you might have seen this. If you're confused, feel free to watch the video. If not, by all means, I am not claiming to be an expert. Do not take my word on this. But this is how I worked out this problem, and hopefully it can help you guys out, especially in reviewing the homework. Just go ahead and have a look. So we're looking at vector C, which is going to be a result of A plus B, and assuming vectors A and vector B are just your traditional vector, because we know they're perpendicular. It doesn't specify in this question, but as we know, if you're going to get this answer, we're most likely going to be looking at perpendicular vectors. So we'll also know that vector B is like that, and these form a little 90-degree angle, which means that vector C should look like that. I think we can all agree on that. So what would happen if we double A and B? Well, while this might not be the direct question, it certainly does fall in line of what you should do. So again, hint, hint, wink, wink, if you want a little nudge on the quiz, this is the way to go. So let's let A be 2, and let's B be 2 as well. Say they're equal lengths for this case. Well, if we take the magnitude of this, we know that C is actually just 2 squared plus 2 squared. That's going to give us 8 square root. So that's going to be the magnitude of C. And that we know is roughly about, say, 2.8, if I'm not mistaken. But that's the magnitude. So what would happen if we went ahead and doubled this? So make this 4, make that 4. Well, let's have a look. This becomes 16 plus 16, which is 32. Radical 32. Now we get radical 32. And let's go ahead and do it just one last time so we can actually secure a pattern here. Well, let's just go ahead and say that this becomes now 8, because we're doubling it, and this becomes 8. Well, let's go ahead and look at it. It'd be 64 plus 64, which would be radical 128. So this is the sequence of patterns we have. Now from this, let's go ahead and decipher what's actually going on with this vector C, that we have to find. Let's go ahead and go to collapse, calculator. Okay, so if we go ahead and look at 8, we go ahead, radical, it's 2.8, and then we go ahead and look at the radical of 32. That's 5.6. If we clear that, and we take the radical of 128, well, that's 11.3. So what is this telling us? This tells us that vector C goes up by a factor of 2 each time we double vectors A and B. Again, guys, I hope this helped. I know that question was a little tricky, so I hope this went ahead and helped you guys out.